Now we're going to look at some drink bottles for kids and adults. The main range I'm going to show you today is from Thermos. So we've got the Thermos double insulated drink bottles. So the fantastic thing about Thermos bottles is because they're double lined and insulated, they'll keep the contents cold for 12 hours. So if you put water in the morning, at night time it will still be cold. It's great, especially in the summer, in the warm climate. So you've got the Thermos Fugo range. So this is a great size for kids, 375 mils. So it's a screw on top, and the Fugo range are all a straw mouthpiece. So the mouthpieces and straw parts you can replace if they get lost, or after time they will need replacing. After about 6 months, generally we say to replace the mouthpiece. And then they also come as the container, which are exactly the same mouthpiece. They've just got the designs. You've got the action, there's the butterfly, and there's also a couple of other designs. There's a camo chip and a sports one. So great drink bottles for kids. My son uses this for school. He's in prep. As they get bigger, then you can move into a larger drink bottle. But for kids, certainly up to about the age of 6 or 7, these are a great size bottle. Some of the larger Thermos bottles, which are good for older kids at school and good for adults, is you've got the 500ml bottle from Thermos, which is an open mouthpiece. So good if you don't like a straw or just want a free-flowing spout. And then you've got the Intact, which is 770ml, so great for a large bottle. Again, it's an open mouthpiece, so not good if you've got kids that like tipping water everywhere, but once they get to about grade 2 or 3, then normally you don't have to worry about that. All the Thermos bottles, when they're closed, are leak-proof, so when they're open, they'll obviously not, but once they're closed, they will, so you can throw them into the kids' school bag and not worry about them leaking. So that's the 770ml, and then you've got the the Intact 530ml, which is the same as the Fugo and the containers, but it's a larger bottle. So great for adults to use as an everyday drink bottle with the mouthpiece again. So, and all of them will insulate for 12 hours and keep the contents nice and cold. Okay, and another range of drink bottles which are really sweet are the Steve & Joseph drink bottles. So. Again, these have got more of the pop-top mouthpiece, and once you close those, again, they're leak-proof, and yeah, they're made of stainless steel, so really good for kids to use. They're only a single wall, so they won't insulate all day like the Thermos range, but they will keep it cooler than plastic, and they're obviously a lot better for the environment as well than the plastic range. So you've got a couple of designs here, the Pirate and the Butterfly, but they come in lots of different designs, including tractors, and there's a western one and a ladybug, lots of different drink bottle designs that match their backpacks and lunchboxes as well.